high quality content within a certain niche or category, and now you're ready to get more attention on your work. I'm Austin, Jumprope's Beauty Content Director, and in this video, I'm going to share exactly how to get prepared before you start to pitch yourself. The first thing that you're going to want is some kind of website or landing page that you can send along with a pitch. Now, if you don't have one, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. As long as you have some kind of landing page that has your name, a way to contact you, links to your social media profiles, and a previous example or two of your work, you'll be so much more set up for success because you'll appear really professional and you'll be able to send that link out to people without sending unnecessary attachments. The next thing that I recommend having on hand is an elevator pitch, and an elevator pitch is exactly what it sounds like. Picture you're in an elevator with someone and you have about 30 seconds to sum up who you are, what you do, and why people might be interested in you or your services or products. You can keep it really simple and keep it to about 3 to 4 sentences in an email, but really get to the core of why you provide value and why people should want to work with you. One thing that can make you look really professional and help you stand out is just a great high-res, well-lit photo of yourself. So whether you actually go out and get professional headshots or you just play with some lighting and have a friend help you take some on portrait mode on your iPhone, this is something that's really important to have because it makes you just look professional, it lets people see your face, and it's something that you can send out if you are pitching yourself to press or other outlets. Speaking of that, once you have a well-lit photo of yourself that you love, make it your social avatar and then make it consistent across all of your social media platforms. This is just helpful as far as image and brand consistency. If an outlet or brand that you're pitching to wants to take a look at you and wants to make sure that they are understanding that if they search you on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, that they know all of those profiles belong to you because they all use the same photo. Lastly, when pitching, it can be really helpful to send along a one-sheet or small media kit to companies that might be looking to feature you or hire you. If you're a blogger and you have 100,000 monthly page views on your website, definitely include that information. If you're a photographer and you have 25 amazing testimonials from recent clients, put that there too. People will be more likely to hire you or feature you if they can see actual data that backs up the fact that you create great content that really resonates with people. And there you go. Those are 5 things that you can do to get yourself prepared before you pitch so that you look professional and people can't say no. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let us know any feedback that you have or any other future videos about tips for content creation that you might like to see from us in the future.